I just dumped my first load of the day. Aren't you proud of me? All right, anyway, we are, I'm gonna get off this exit 8 here where I used to park my truck. And I'll show you guys where I used to park. But the reason I'm getting off over here is because the guy Tommy that works at the transfer station where I go, he said he's taking tomorrow off, and he asked me if I could get him a couple packs of cigarettes because they're like $7 cheaper in Pennsylvania than they are in New York. He tried to give me money, but I'm just gonna pay for them. The amount of favors that guy does for me is like unbelievable, so the least I could do is buy him cigarettes. This is the guy I told the story about a while ago that I bought him, like, I used to buy him cigarettes like pretty much every day to the point where I was buying him too many cigarettes. But I haven't been getting him any. So this time he asked me if I could grab him a couple packs in Pennsylvania, so yeah, like I said, he's always helping me out, loading my trailers and shit. So the least I can do is buy him cigarettes, and I'm gonna go to the place where I used to park. If they're still even in business. I don't even know if that place is still open anymore. I haven't been to this place in probably like over a year now at this point. So, yep, exit 8. That's where we're gonna go, and I'm gonna show you where I used to park. There's two places off this exit. The place on the right is where I used to park. There's a place on the left, like you go over an overpass on that side. But that's a bigger place, so it's like more of a, it's an Envo, but it's more of like a truck stop kind of place. So it'll take me longer to get in and out of that place. Maybe not though, because the parking lot in this place is a piece of shit. Nothing but potholes, so you have to roll through it at like 2 miles an hour. That's all right, I'll check out my old spot. The guy that used to work at this place, he used to stand out in the street with binoculars and look at the price of diesel at the place over there. So he would, like he would change his prices to be like a penny cheaper. This is what I used to do. I would make the right here, and he'd be standing right in the middle of the street with fucking binoculars. Looking down there behind me at the sign. Oh my God, they paved it. Holy shit, I thought that would never happen. So yeah, this is the place where I used to park, and they are still open. Kind of surprised, to be honest with you. Oh yeah, they didn't pave back here, but they definitely paved the worst spots. Oh yeah, and they patched it up. Whoa, whose trailer is that? See that trash trailer over there? That's where I used to park. I don't know whose trailer that is, but that's right there, right in the corner there is where I used to park my truck. It sucked. It was a pain in the ass because if there were trucks in the pumps over here, I would have to wait, like just to get into my spot. And sometimes they would take their break in the, like at the pump, so I'd be waiting like a half hour. I'd go over to the trucks, knock on their door and shit, and they just like wouldn't come to the door. So I'd have to sit around for like a half hour. That pump's closed. I guess I could realistically just stay here. I'm gonna pull up a little bit. But yep, back there in the corner, that was my old spot. And that's where I had my fuel stolen from me twice. Alright, I'm gonna run in here real quick and get those cigarettes for him. Yeah, it's been a while, right? What's that?
Did you move somewhere else?
Oh, I parked somewhere else. It's $100 a month, so I had to, you know. Yeah, man. Dude, and I had my fuel stolen from me twice back here.
Huh?
My fuel, my diesel in my truck, got stolen twice.
Here?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. That's when I got out of here, because it happened 2 times. It happened once and I let it go, and then it happened again and they stole all of it. All of my fuel.
Really?
Yeah.
And you ask somebody who work here, like I work overnight, right?
Yeah, it was someone else back then. He said, no, the cameras don't work. That's what he told me. I don't know if he was lying to me or what, but that's what I was told. I tried. You know?
Insane, bro. I don't, like, really insane.
Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't. I saw the trucks like backing in next to me, and one like there were 2 trucks. One blocked like right in front of my truck, so you couldn't see anything, and another one backed right next to me, and that's the guy that took the fuel. But I couldn't see the name on the truck, so I don't know who it was. You know. Yeah, it's all good. It is what it is. You know.
Miss you always when I see that.
So yeah, sorry, man.
But like next time, in future, if you want here, I'll be like here for your. I will be
Right.
granting here.
Well, I appreciate it, man. Yeah. Yeah. No, I got you. Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I'll talk to Jolly about it.
Okay.
See, yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
Well,
some coffee, bro?
it was nice seeing you, man. I'll see you next time. All right. Well, I just saw the guy that used to work here back in the day, and I told him about the whole fuel situation, like it got stolen and stuff. He said if I want to come back, there'll never be problems like that ever again. I don't know how they can guarantee that or anything, but yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. He said the guy lied to me, because when it happened to me, when it happened the second time, when I went in to check the cameras, the guy that used to work here, he told me the cameras don't work, and this guy in here is telling me that, you know, he lied to me. He said the cameras always worked in here. So yeah, I don't know, but yeah, now I got to show you guys where I used to park. Well, the one good thing about this place was I guess I didn't show you guys, but on my way in here, if you rewind back, next to where I used to park, there's a big field there, and we used to play with my dogs over there. So every time like we would come down here, we'd bring Hank and Paul, and they would run around in that field. So that's one thing that I do miss about this place, is getting to play with the dogs. It is a lot better with it paved. I'm telling you, it was bad. The whole parking lot was just all potholes. Like you couldn't avoid them. So that is better. He even told me, like back then I used to be obsessed with Mountain Dew Amp. I don't drink them anymore. But he told me just for me, he ordered them, and then I stopped going in there because they used to not have it. He said he ordered my drink. He remembered. He was like, yeah, Mountain Dew Amp. I ordered your drink and then you stopped coming. Oh, shit. All right, we're off. Going back to the transfer station and get the next load. Well, I just got a call. The rest area up here, about 4 miles away, is open again, stopping trash trucks. You know, like, this is just crazy now a little bit. You know, like, because they're always sitting outside the landfill. And now they're out here at the rest area stopping trash trucks, like, all the time now. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens this time. I don't know. This is just crazy now. Alright, we're at the 23 over 4. We're about 2 miles away from the way station. Yep, lights are on. God, he has no body. Oh wait, maybe he does. They're not in the first spot like they normally are. Sorry, you know. As soon as I get right up on them, I feel like I have to take the camera off. 2 days stopping trash trucks in a row. Like, usually they only do that if like a trash truck gets into an accident or something, like, then they'll pick on us for a while. So I don't know if something happened that I just never heard about. Or maybe they just decided this week they're just gonna mess with us. I don't know. Yesterday, they were in there stopping trash trucks, and on my way back out to the landfill going west, the weigh station on that side was closed, but my brother was like 45 minutes behind me, and he called me and said now they're on that side stopping trash trucks. So he might flip over to that side on my way back. We'll see. They probably do that just to, like, catch you off guard, like thinking you're safe going the other way, and then he's like, "F that, I'm gonna go over there and get you guys," you know. I don't know. I don't know what they think. That's just what I think they think. don't think I mentioned this yet. Molly started going back to school again. Yesterday was her first day. She went back to school to become a nurse. Because apparently, like from what she showed me, like places need nurses like really bad. I've never seen this before. I've only seen this in like truck driving jobs. But nurses are getting like sign-on bonuses and shit now. It's fucking crazy. I've never seen that before. But like everywhere is hiring for nurses and they get paid pretty damn good. So she just started classes yesterday and she likes it so far. I mean, you know, it's only been one day, but she's one of the smartest people I know, so I know she's gonna be fine. But if you want to hit her with a good luck down in the comments or something, I'm sure she'd appreciate it. Alright, we're gonna drive a little bit more and I'll catch you guys a little bit later.